So let's look at question 16 and see how you guys would have done. So it says here, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto B. And I'm hoping you can see this, but you can always use mirrors as well and stuff like that. But hopefully you can see it's a reflection. So you have to say reflection. Okay, but it's not just, you can't just say reflection, you've got to do exactly what line it is. Now if I connect that one with that one, and that one with that one, and halve it, you can see that's my line of reflection. So you can say in the x-axis, and that gets you your 2 marks. Otherwise, you just get 1 mark. What about question 17? Let's look at question 17. Wow, there's a lot here, isn't there? It's worth 3 marks. Adrian is going to make concrete. He's going to use 180 kilograms of cement, 375 kilograms of sand, 1080 kilograms of stone, and then cement, sand and stone are sold in these bags. He already has these number of bags. Work out what bags he needs to make the concrete. So he already has this and he's going to use that. So what I'm going to say is, well, if he's got 10 bags of cement, that's 10 times 25. He's already got 250 grams of cement. So he doesn't need any more cement. Okay, 20 bags of sand, so it's 20 lots of 22.5. Use my calculator if you don't know how to do that, which I don't. 20 times 2, 22.5, 450. So he's got enough sand. What about the stone? 20 bags of stone. So let's just see now. That's 50. So if I'm getting nervous, 20 times 50, 1,000. Just short. So what he needs to do, he needs to buy 80 grams of stone. That's what he's lacking. He's got enough cement. He's got enough sand. He just needs 80 grams of stone. And they come in 50 bags. So 1 bag is 50. 2 bags, twice that. You can't buy small bags, so you have to buy 2 bags. He needs 2 bags of stone. Right, what about question 18? Let's see. Bill wants to increase 150 by 3%. Bill writes this down. Bill's method is wrong. Explain why. Well, the 1.3 as a multiplier is 130%. That's what he's done. That's a multiplier. He should have used 1.03. Sally wants to decrease. So now you had 100% and you're going down 3%. So 100 down is 97%. As a decimal, there you go. And on my calculator, that's the S to D. 145.5. Right, what about these ones here? Question 19. Let's see what happens there. So a bit of algebra here. I'm going to multiply out this bracket. And don't forget, when you multiply out brackets, everything gets multiplied. 3 times x and 3 times 4 is 12. It's to minus 12 equals 12. And now what I need to do, I want to get x on its own. Got two things. That's easier to get rid of first. Add 12 to both sides. Add 12 there, 24. Now divide both sides by 3. And if you haven't got, if you get confused, use your calculator and you'll come out with 8. Now, factorise. Okay, so I've got 9b minus 3b squared. The way I like to do this is I look at common numbers. I can see a 3 in there. I've got 3 times 3b, but also split that up. I'm like this. Now, take out what's common. I can take a 3 out, but also I can take a b out and shove everything back in the suitcase. Boom. Put the 3 in, the minus and the b. And that's how you do 19. Let's try one more question before we close this one. So, Venn diagram. A are these set of numbers, 2, 8, 10, 14. B is 6, 8, oh, another 8 again, 20. And C is 8 again, 18, 20 and 22. Complete. You always go from the centre out. We can see we've got 8, 8, 8. So that belongs to all three groups. Now, is there something that belongs to A and B? 2, 10, 14, no. So there's nothing in there. What about B and C? 6, 20, 20. So that can sit in there. And lastly, what about A and C? 2, 10, 14, no. So now I can put 2, 10, and you'll see if you made a mistake because you'll see the number twice. So that's good as well. But there you go. And then it says a number is chosen at random from this set. Find the probability that it's in both A and B. That means and. Or is that one where it can be in either, but this one is and. So it's in A and B, and there's only one out of all these numbers. Okay? And don't forget, you've got all these numbers here that are even, that aren't mentioned in here. So I've got to have also, forgot that, didn't read the question properly, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. I'd have lost a mark, you see. So now it's got to be in A and B, and there's just one, and now I've got to see how many numbers there are. I could try and guess, but if I'm getting stressed, why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I hope that's helped.